Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Meta AI glasses. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and update your glasses just to make sure that the firmware is safe and compatible. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto the Meta AI app. Next, click on the gear icon next to the glasses you want to go ahead and update. Then click on Update, then click on Install. Your update will install later. You could also set up automatic updates as well by toggling this on, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your Meta AI glasses. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.